you know what? Mars is kind of nice. I was always thinking that Mars is like so far away and so cold, but Mars is kind of nice. Martian clouds are thin and wispy. Wow. I can't believe it. I don't think I appreciated that the surface of Mars is about 44% silicon dioxide. So it's so much like Earth. It's like being at the beach. Thank you, Ben. Thank you for being here. Martian clouds are thin and wispy, like cirrus clouds on Earth. They're made of solid ice crystals. By the way, here's more for you, Stephen. Martian clouds are thin and wispy. Yeah, Ben. Reese is wanting to talk to you more. Isn't this so... What a fairy tale. Mars has thin and wispy clouds. Wow. Martian clouds are thin and wispy like cirrus clouds on Earth. They're made of solid ice crystals, not liquid droplets. So icy because, yeah, it's cold. It's cold there. The clouds of Mars are made of both frozen water and frozen carbon dioxide. Look at that. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Martian clouds are thin and wispy like cirrus clouds on Earth. They're made of solid ice crystals, not liquid droplets. The clouds of Mars are made of both frozen water and frozen carbon dioxide. It's frozen. Geologically speaking, the two hemispheres of Mars are very different from each other. The northern hemisphere of Mars, which is relatively low in elevation, contains few craters and shows signs of recent volcanic activity like the larger terrestrial planets Earth and Venus. The southern hemisphere, which is relatively high in elevation, contains many craters and is geologically dead, like the smaller terrestrial planet Mercury and like the moon. How interesting! Are you guys hearing this? Also, by the way, can we get 20 likes? Can you guys like the live so I can get 20 likes? This is so cool. Look at Baji. Baji is over here now. Hi, Anshi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I see the 20 likes. Thank you. Let me do a screenshot. Look at Baji. Can I do a screenshot of the live? Hi, Anahi.